Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate Zonai devices. This incredibly useful trick allows you to multiply your valuable Zonai items with ease, saving you precious time and resources. Imagine having an abundance of rockets, fans, or batteries at your disposal for all your building needs. Let's dive right into the steps to make this happen for you. First, you'll want to find a suitable location. A flat, open area is ideal, and being near a stable can sometimes help. Crucially, position Link with his back firmly against any solid wall. You only need one of the Zonai devices you wish to duplicate in your inventory to begin this process. No need for many, just one will do the trick. Now for the main event. Open your inventory and navigate to your Zonai devices. Select the item you want to duplicate and choose to take out up to 10 of them. While still in this menu, quickly press the Y and B buttons on your controller at the exact same time. You might see a brief lag or a message saying you can't take that out here. After pressing Y and B, check your inventory. You should find that the number of your selected Zonai devices has increased, even if some drop to the ground. Pick up any physical devices that appeared to add them to your growing collection. You can repeat this simple process as many times as you like, creating an endless supply of any Zonai device you need for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.